It is the end of IFA, and I'm joined by Nicole. Nicole, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am very well, thank you. So, what was your favourite wearable that you saw at IFA?
It has to be the Withings Activity Steel HR. I'm a big fan of analog watches in general, so having a built-in heart rate monitor in an analog watch is pretty cool to me.
That sounds excellent. What was your favourite personal computing product?
I don't know if it was my favorite, but it was definitely the most ostentatious PC I've seen here. It is the Acer Predator 21X gaming laptop, a 21-inch laptop, which is crazy. Curved laptop, 2 graphics cards in it, a full-on cooling system, full-size keyboard with Cherry MX mechanical keyboard, so pretty cool keyboard.
That is insane. And finally, what was the favourite piece of food that you purchased whilst here at IFA?
Probably ice cream.
Ice cream, it's a universal one, everyone loves ice cream. Yeah. Brilliant.
So Dan, what was your favourite wearable at the show?
My favourite wearable, I do like the Withings Steel HR, but also I'm going to say the Gear S3 probably edges it just because I think that it's the pinnacle of Samsung's sort of journey.
What was your best experience here at IFA?
So I would say probably I got to sit in a massage chair in VR, and basically I was getting a massage whilst sat, thinking that I was sat on a beach in France, which was pretty weird, pretty cool, and something different that you don't get to do every day.
Very cool. And also, what was your favorite food you've eaten during the show?
Favorite food I've eaten probably has to be schnitzel. We're in Germany, you gotta have some schnitzel.
All right, Edgar, now it's our turn. IFA's finally over. We can
SBC violation.
We can wear casual clothes, talk about the show, everything we've seen. 3 real quick questions for you.
Shoot.
First one, tell me something really gadgety that you've seen. Like, I don't want it to be useful, something like a poodle hoover.
You're gonna be like, oh, you're so predictable, but my favorite thing was definitely the battle-worn BB-8 from Sphera, which we saw yesterday. We covered it. That was definitely my favorite thing.
Okay, second question. If there was one celebrity endorsement of the show, which would be your favorite?
Another one that you're gonna be like, you're so predictable, but the favorite, my favorite celebrity endorsement is definitely Cristiano Ronaldo. He's a good-looking man. Like, what can you do about it? And now he's apparently the brand ambassador for ZTE, and they've got this new phone, the ZTE Nuvia Z11. Say that 100 times fast, and but it's a new phone. It's an Android phone, and there's really not much else to say other than it's an Android phone.
I'm sure he's using it right now as we speak.
Yeah, probably not.
They were talking about lunch. Let's talk about dinner. Much classier. We've had good foods this week. So favorite.
Definitely the place. I don't even know the name of it, but the place right near our hotel where they had this schnitzel. It was this big. Definitely my favorite place. One question for you is, what was your favorite booth, or maybe like the favorite thing you saw during the show?
I don't know, I did a whole bunch of the pre-show stuff where we're out and about in town, but probably the funnest thing was we did a little video shoot today for Dobby. This kind of, it's a selfie drone, fits in your pocket, looks like a giant bar of soap. You just kind of toss it in the air and it follows you around. It's kind of crazy, just a whole bunch of nuts fun.
Yeah, cool. So last question for you is, obviously my favorite thing was the BB-8, but did you see any other robots?
I totally did. We saw this thing, it's called the Keyhand Sandbot, and it's just everything you imagine from the 1950s vision of the future. It's kind of got like robot moves, it's got an LCD face with a tablet, and it's got a projector in the back of its head. It's kind of bonkers, and I don't know how well it's going to do, but it was pretty cute, and that was definitely my favorite thing from the show.
Yeah, robots are too cute all the time.
For sure. Well, guys, thanks for sticking with us through the show. Thanks for joining us for this intimate moment, and I hope you've enjoyed everything we've done here at IFA from Engadget.com.